Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll guide you through how to write a temporary resident visa invitation letter. This letter is a crucial document when inviting a friend or family member to visit you in another country. It helps immigration authorities assess the purpose of the visit and the visitor's ties to their home country. You will begin your letter by providing your full name, address, city, postal code, contact number, and email address. Below that, include the date on which you are writing the letter. Next, address the letter to the immigration officer at the relevant embassy or consulate. Mention the name and address of the embassy, along with its city and country. For the subject line, clearly state the purpose of the letter by mentioning that it is an invitation for a temporary resident visa for the visitor, using their full name. Finally, start the letter with a formal salutation, such as "Dear Immigration Officer," to maintain a professional tone. After that, write, "I, your name, a resident of," your address, and "A, your status in country, e.g., citizen permanent resident, am writing to invite visitor's full name, my relationship, e.g., cousin, friend, parent, to visit me in country for duration, e.g., 3 months, from start date to end date. The purpose of their visit is to spend time with family, experience the culture, and explore various attractions. I will ensure their accommodation at your address and provide financial support during their stay if required. Visitor's full name is a visitor's occupation in visitor's home country and will return upon the completion of their visit. They have strong ties to their home country, including mention job, family, property, or other commitments, ensuring their intention to leave country before their visa expires. Please find attached the required supporting documents for this application. Feel free to contact me for any further details. Sincerely, your name. Here's the sample temporary resident visa invitation letter we have prepared. Notice how it clearly states the purpose of the visit, provides details about your relationship with the visitor, and assures the immigration officer of their intent to return home. By following this format step by step, you can create a well-structured and convincing invitation letter that supports the visa application. This letter helps the immigration officer assess the visitor's purpose of travel, accommodation details, and ties to their home country, ensuring a smooth visa approval process. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on writing visa invitation letters.